We enjoy family, food, fashion, travel, and of course, fast cars. Gonna take you on a journey. Today, we are in Port St. Lucie again. Had to get some stuff straight with the title for the M3, which we did. In the midst of that, my son decided to purchase another car. So, the plan is, talk to people about the plan.
The plan, we're gonna take everything from this car, put it on this car. This car has been hit, damaged. It's a rust bucket. You see rust holes. I mean, you look right here, just stick my finger in this rust hole.
Oh, wow.
Just painted over it, you know.
Got it.
Shit box, basically.
Got it.
Shit box, not shit box.
Got it. So we just you just picked this up, and so essentially you're gonna do swap all the usable parts out of this, put it in the newer body style, and then now you have a coupe, and then you have a hatch in red.
One's gonna have called stock motor, stock everything. This one's gonna be SR. Pretty much the works. Angle kit, 5-lug.
5-lug conversion. Okay.
Everything.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Well, this is an exciting time because there's a lot of different builds that are going on between his house and my house. So now I've been able to get the title situated. I can get the car properly on the road as soon as we get the swap done. All the parts came in. When I get back to the house, we'll go over the different parts that I acquired, and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna make my way back to Fort Lauderdale, and we'll pick up today's video there. So stay tuned, guys. Remember, like and subscribe. Helps the algorithm. Remember, it's not a lifestyle unless you're a fanatic. Stay tuned. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, so we're back from Port St. Lucie. We got the title stuff taken care of. I'll be going and registering the car this weekend. Just wanted guys to show you some of the parts for the swap. So we have a Sachs Stage 1 clutch here. Push it off to the side. And then we have our aluminum flywheel. I'm not gonna take it out the packaging, but we have that. We have our dining short shifter. We have our shift boot. We have our shift knob, carbon fiber shift knob, and a box apart for the swap. We're also gonna be doing the bearings. So I got the bearings. That's part of the big three. We got the bolts, and all these parts involve swapping from an SMG to a manual. We got the pedal here. Got all the parts, so we are good to go. We just need to organize who's gonna do it. I think I have an idea who I'm gonna trust to do that transplant, and yeah. All the parts are here. I'm gonna leave a link to the website that I got my parts list from, and the pricing. Now the pricing adjusted over time, but you can get the parts list and go to the dealer and kind of get the parts. So basically, we got everything that we need to move forward, and then this weekend hopefully we'll go and deliver these parts to start the work. So stay tuned, guys, for that. And remember, it's not a lifestyle unless you're a fanatic. Appreciate the love. Like and subscribe. Till next time. Stay tuned. Following up on the repair on the Infinity, we're doing timing chain, water pump. So I'm gonna change that stuff out. So that's on the lift, getting worked on. And I'm gonna work my way over to the BMW. We'll see if we can get a start for me. Brazil, the tires are good on these, or should I get new tires?
Huh?
The tires are good on this car, or should I get new tires? The tires. I think I'm gonna order some new tires. New emblems, seals. trim. Yeah, it's gonna come over. I'm gonna get some tires. Let's see what size tire this is. Gotta clean up this engine bay a little bit. New brakes. New bumper, but all in due time. We're not in a rush. The man Brazil is taking care of me, so let's start it up. Hopefully we can get a start. It feels like when I come here it don't want to start because almost he sent me a video of the car starting, but I think it needs that charge. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got it. You think it needs gas? I promise you guys, the car starts. It don't want to every time I come, right? No, I know. Well, we got the car. Engine is running. So that's good. We gotta change the gas on to new gasoline. But it's moving. I mean, it's running, I should say. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back and talk to my man and see what we're gonna do next. So just a side note. So when I decided to start this project, I knew that there was gonna be some work that needed to be done. So part of the fun is going to be taking a car from where it is now to where I envision it going. So come along with me with this journey as we honor my father, the great Winston Antonio. And remember to like and subscribe. It helps the algorithm. Remember, it's not a lifestyle unless you're a fanatic. Stay tuned.